Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Ocho Rios. Now this is Main Street in Ocho Rios, and this road is actually going to be renamed in honor of Butch Stewart, who is the founder of Sandals, and Sandals is one of the top hotel chains in the Caribbean, and it's known all over the world. He built it from scratch and did an excellent job. So this road is going to be renamed in his honor. Now Ocho Rios is a major tourist town. You always hear about Ocho Rios with the hotels. Every major hotel chain in Jamaica has a hotel in Ocho Rios. And that's actually Moon Palace on the left, and that is the largest hotel in Ocho Rios, and that's one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. So this part of Ocho Rios now is more the non-tourist part, basically. This is where you're going to find the supermarkets, the bus park, the plazas that don't have anything to do with tourism. So this is where the people who live in Ocho Rios would come on a daily basis. So this is the town center of Ocho Rios now. As you can see, very busy, and you can always find taxis parked up in a town center. Any town center you're going to in Jamaica, and anywhere you have taxis, you know you have to have police to maintain law and order. Alright, so Ocho Rios is a major town, and as you can see, it's a very busy place, a lot of activity. Alright guys, enjoy the tour as we show you the Ocho Rios town center, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.